Welcome back to my channel. My name is Alicia and this is Heart and Hand Creations and Events. Welcome back everyone. Today's video is the continuation of the Future DIY project series. And today's Future DIY project is going to be the Glam style side table lamp. And right here we have the inspiration for this video today. The circumference of my lampshade in inches is 25 inches, but we're going to cut off 25.5 inches and overlap the ends ½ inch in. As you see, or as you notice, I'm using the gold support ring to gauge the size for the metal ribbons, and that gold ring is 25 inches. Once the metal ribbon is cut, I use the 22 gauge stainless steel wire to secure my ribbon closed. I repeat this process for all 7 metal ribbons. Here I will be using 4 support rings for this project. Right here I begin to put my lampshade together by adding the first support ring to the first layer of my lampshade. And here I'm just gluing it in place. Once it's dried, then I proceed with adding the next layer. I repeat this process until all the layers of ribbon are in place. With all of the metal ribbons and the support rings in place, we now have a lampshade. And right here, I installed the supporting ring for the gems. The space in between the support ring for the gems and the lampshade is 1 inch. So I made hooks in this, I made connectors in the style of hooks to attach the ring to the lampshade. The connecting wires are 12 gauge stainless steel wire, and they are at least 1.5 inches long, enough for me to curl down each end to connect my pieces. And this is the result of that. Next, I will be adding acrylic gems, diamond gems, to the outside of the lampshade's design. Now I am ready to attach the gems. To attach the gems, the single gems, I'm using large jump rings. In all, there are 20 single gems. Once they're in place, I space them out evenly, and then I add hot glue to both sides of the ring. Not glue the jump rings, but to add glue on either side so that the gems can still move freely. Okay guys, so this is what we have so far. It's turning out so nice. So far, so good. Right here, I'm pointing out how I used the same method as I did to attach the gem support ring with the connector wires. The difference is the size of the ring. This will allow me to anchor the lampshade on top of the base. Moving forward, I will be using 2 candle holders from the thrift store, which will be the base for our side table lamp. I sanded the area where the glue is applied. This helps with the glass and the glue bonding together. I've gone ahead to add the acrylic strands to the gem support ring. 1 strand was added in between each single gem. I cut out foam poster board to help anchor the lighting in place. So guys, right here, this is an option of how you can use your lampshade. It can easily be turned into a pendant lamp. I think it turned out so cute. But this is the final result. Here it is, the boho glam style side table lamp, guys. This is the second of 6 of the future projects in this series, which is series number 4. I will put a link of the first future project and I'll put that in the description below. But guys, what do you think? I think it turned out so beautiful. If you think so, let me know in the comments below. If you've made it this far in this video, thank you so much for hanging in there with me. And if you are new to this channel, tap that subscribe button. If you are a current viewer and you have not subscribed yet, tap that subscribe button, guys. Then hit the notification bell so that each time I upload a new video, you will know. Plus, you do want to see what the next video is going to be, which will be another future DIY project, and that will be future project number 3. I'm not going to tell you which one it is. You have to come back. Make sure you tap that notification bell so that you will know. Also, guys, don't forget to like, share, and comment below. And I'll see you all in the next DIY video. Bye-bye.